Hi everyone, I welcome you in the first video of this series. In this video, we will learn how to download and install JDK, and it is the very first step to start programming on your computer. In simple words, we will learn how to set up the environment of your computer to run Java programs. For that, we need to install JDK, Java Development Kit. I give you a very brief intro to the JDK. Then JDK is a kit or collection of some tools which help to run the programs written in Java language. We will discuss JDK more in detail in another video. So for now, let's see how to download JDK and install it on your computer. For that, you just need to follow these simple steps. First of all, open your Google Chrome and type oracle.com. Click the first link, this one. From here, drop down the all options and look for the product help. Under it, click the downloads. After that, just scroll down this window and look for Java and click it. After that, look for Java JDK for developers and click it. After that, click JDK download. Scroll down the window, look for Windows x64 installer and download it. After downloading it, just right click on it and run it as administrator. Click next, again next, and wait till it get installed. Close it, and now just go to your C drive, open program files and look for a folder named Java. Here it is. Open it, open JDK-14, go in the bin, and after that just copy the address of this folder from here and go to the window and search for environment variables. Here it is. Click it, and environment variables, click this one and create new and name it path. Then here paste that address and hit the OK and OK. And now to check whether our JDK has installed properly or not, just again go to the window and write cmd, and here now write a command java C and hit enter. If you get these all output, then it means our JDK has installed properly. If you find any problem in installing JDK, then write your issues in comment section. I will answer your questions there. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my channel.